Hello, I'm Adam from Motor Match Chester, and today I'll be taking you around in the previous vehicle. New in stock, we have this fantastic all-wheel drive Kia Sportage. This 2018 registered vehicle comes with in superb condition throughout, boasting just 19,000 miles on the clock, from 3 previous owners. The car boasts a 1.6 litre engine and a full service history. This car is finished in an Infra Red metallic paint worth an extra £595, which is incredible, along with the roof rails which create a sleek look to the car. The Kia boasts a lot of functionality with a rear camera and cruise control, which are amazing features for the UK. As being an SUV, a spare tyre is provided as well as being 4-wheel drive. You can also pull across the boot cover yourself. In the back seats, there are vents for the passenger seat as well as 2 12-volt sockets. It also has the ISOFIX child seat top tethers and anchor fittings for car seats. The electric window controls are on the door as well as to move the wing mirrors. Here is the dashboard. You can see the 2 clocks and the steering wheel that has the hands-free controls. At the side of the user interface there are 2 vents. There are also controls for the air conditioning and the radio controls. Here is the automatic gearbox and 2 cup holders, and as well as the armrest that opens up. Here is the passenger side, and there are the passenger window controls as well. This is the menu for the user interface. As you can see, you can connect your phone to your car. You can also see what petrol stations and the weather is like from the car. There is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's a quick guide on the functionality of your car. Radio is also provided, as well as some presets for the radio. You can also connect your own media to the car and also see the current position. RAC extended warranties are now available. For more information or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire now online. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon at Motor Match Chester.